Hello and welcome to Sahrawat Brothers, your ultimate destination for all your home decor needs. Today, we're excited to introduce you to our extensive range of over 10,000 exceptional products available in both standard and customized sizes, all accessible through our WhatsApp API account. Let's get started. At Sahrawat Brothers, we take pride in offering an extensive collection of high-quality products. Our selection includes wall panels, 3D wall panels, charcoal panels, UV marble panels, alabaster panels, HDHMR panels, louver panels, flute panels, 2D and 3D wave boards, engraved boards, birch ply panels, smart touch LED mirrors, pendant lights, nameplates, bathroom doors, bedroom doors, door frames and windows, Puja Mandir, Korean Mandir, prime wood Mandir, partition jalis, exterior jalis, ceiling jalis, and so much more. We cater to both standard and customized sizes to ensure the perfect fit for your space. We understand the importance of convenience and value. That's why we offer free and secure home delivery with 100% insurance all over India. Enjoy our products at factory prices with the best material guarantee, as we are the proud manufacturers of these exceptional items. To enhance your shopping experience, we have integrated our WhatsApp API account at 7827678276 to handle your inquiries. Our chatbot is available 24/7 to provide you with detailed information on our products, including images, videos, and pricing. In case our chatbot can't answer your question, our dedicated customer support team at Sahrawat Brothers is ready to help. It may take some time, but we assure you that we will respond to your query. So why wait? Visit www.miststore.com and explore our incredible range of over 10,000 products in standard and customized sizes for your dream home. If you have any questions, simply type the product name and our chatbot will assist you in seconds. Thank you for choosing Sahrawat Brothers, where we are dedicated to turning your home into a stunning masterpiece. Namaskar, Jai Hind.